Hola.
Hola.
Hey.
Hey. I passed the phone to the shortest person in this group. Passing the phone to the meanest person in the whole damn world. I'm passing the phone to the most skittish person in the group. Skittish.
Hola. I'm passing the phone to the host.
The host.
You take it like you want.
Non, dis bébé, qu'est-ce qui se passe? Mais dis hi, je sais pas moi. Ouais. Hi vlog. Voilà. So here we have the baddie. We have the baddie. You have Ace Ventura. You have the short queen. And then you get a disappointment. So we are at, okay, this is a lot of wind, you're not gonna hear me, but we are at La City Triana. We are in LA. We are in LA. So this is a vlog in La City, and we are about to look for Moisha's husband. Not Moisha's husband. Moisha's like, you know, how you call that shit? Advertisement. Yeah. It's right here, but we don't see her. Those big. Oh no, let's not. So we're gonna stay here and wait for like.
Et on est censé laisser ça bouffer, on a que 30 minutes là.
Yeah.
C'est pas grave, comme il fait, you know.
There's a whole drama around him, you know. There's a whole drama around him. I'm going to spill some tea right now.
Because the hole?
Yes. She's in there. She's in there. She's in there. We got a guest. That's her. That's her. We got a guest star in there. I'm sweating like a pig. And yeah, that's the star we have. We have a guest in here. Okay, how do you look?
On dirait le clip de Kanye.
Oh shit! Long like Kendall Jenner who? Kendall who?
I've never been long in my whole life.
Kendall who?
Nice. Yeah. Want to say something?
Hello guys.
Yeah, hi. Yeah, so sadly, as you can see, my beauty is disturbed by this very much pimple I have on my foot. I can't swear, right? I can't swear. I don't like this toilet. Yeah,
Because my mom's company is not financing it.
your mom's company is not financing it. You know,
Oh, here. Hi. Hello. This is a great lighting right now.
yeah, it is.
Great. Like this. Oh, nice.
That's a very good lighting right now. You know.
So we're in in a food court which is dead, and Aurélie like offered to pay our McDo, so we're kind of happy about that. Are you happy about that? Yes. I think she's the happiest, right?
I love her for her money.
Or two sugar mummies of the group, but today I'm being sugar mummy, so I'm very fine with that. As long as I'm not paying, that's right.
C'est sans frais, j'ai tout payé, mais c'est elle le sugar mommy, ok?
Yeah.
Run away. Doom, 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 doom. Pose, pose. Doom, 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 doom. Pose, pose. Down, 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 down.
Let's go now. So our baby love is here. My baby love.
Let me do a cartwheel. Hold my shit. Hold my shit.
Go. Okay. Wow! Do you want a bread? Do you buy bread? Just the bread. So this is Moisha. Hi. This is Aurélie. B. And this is Aurélie. A. La version bêta d'Aurélie en fait.
Talented, amazing, fabulous, never seen
before, show stopping, you know.
Yeah.
You won't find anything like that.
Yeah. This group is elite.
It is groundbreaking, you know. Look, it's breaking.
Élison.
Alors, on est arrivé à... On s'est fait... Voilà, I just trip on the rock. Ok, on est arrivé à Vallée de Sterlog. Est-ce qu'on m'entend? Ouais, c'est très joli. Yeah. So, la vallée. Dans la vallée. Quoi, c'est quoi la chanson? La vallée. Dans la vallée. Hein?
La tribu de Dana.
Ouais, the same shit. So we here.
It's very pretty.
And apparently there are fucking students or people there. Yeah. If it is another school there, we're gonna fucking throw hands. He's biting your hand.
He can eat my hand if he wants to. I'm charmed.
Next cut scene 2. Already not having one hand.
Et là, elle a vraiment de 40 ans handicapé.
Let me get a beautiful shot of you there, Moisha. The lighting is really good there, not going to lie. Ouais, il y a une bus là. Il y a une bus? Let me get my twist mode on.
Yay!
Dogs or cats? Dogs or cats?
Pussy.
Là, c'est un trip dans le bois, of course. Ouais, c'est pas balade en village, c'est balade en bois. Balade en bois avec des tennis, avec une boue qui va.
La boue est vivante.
Ouais.
Que ça là.
Voilà.
On verra le
On risque de perdre Aurélie et Aurélie dans la boue.
elle met 50, on fait pas nous. Il y a 52 là-dedans.
Oh, no shit, Sherlock.
Session de photoshoot.
Vous allez jeter
Jean-Paul
votre...
est venu. Elisa, Jean-Paul est venu. Elisa, Jean-Paul. Jean-Paul. Allez, Jean-Paul. Allez.
Allez, Jean-Paul.
Allez,
Loulou.
Jean-Paul.
Tu sais trop bien là, tu veux
Jean-Paul. On y va, Jean-Paul. On y va. Oh oui. Oh ouais.
On dirait les émissions à l'ancienne dans les années 80 avec le chien.
Allez, Jean-Paul.
Avec le chien.
Aurélie is getting attacked. Aurélie is getting mobbed by a fucking dog. Just don't do that. A long story cut short, Jean-Paul cheating on us. In front of her. In front of my side. In front of my side.
They were petting him.
They were petting
How
him.
dare they? I knew that.
I cry myself to sleep tonight.
I know.
It's not that deep, bro.
Oh gosh.
My anxiety is up the roof. Oh my god, I just said, whoa, don't push me. Yeah, what's this? I want, whoa. God damn it. I was like,
He's a workout.
that,
He's a workout.
yeah. Of course, she has to take fucking pictures in front of the fucking thing. We got our first victim, our first fall victim. Aurélie A. No, B. Aurélie B.
Sadly, we didn't catch it on camera.
Yeah, but it was expected. It was expected. Cascade.
C'est un ruisseau.
Oh, sorry, hein? So pretty. Not you. So pretty. So, on doit descendre là? Okay. We might die today. That's alright. I mean,
Happens to the best of us.
yeah. It's not like we were not wishing for that. Yeah. So basically, there's like a mud everywhere. It's dirty, and my camera doesn't want to fucking focus. And it's like we go up and then we go down, and then woohoo! Oh my god, fucking mosquitoes! I'm covered. What is this? Ew! This is mud or is it poo? We're done with it. It feels like, oh my god, it feels like shit and looks like shit. But yeah. Of course, has to be her. En fait, je suis en train de filmer, mais bon, amusez-vous.
You're doing great, sweetie.
Bienvenue dans la jungle en compagnie de Melcha. Melcha et Timo. On va comment me mettre mes leggings, t'as vu?
Arrête tes poids avec ton bâton, t'as.
Mes chaussettes n'auront pas se lever. What a trick.
Wait, thumbnail. Yeah, we got there in the end. Yeah.
You wanna die?
My pimple is about to explode. This is almost all the tension builds up in there.
No.
A little bit. Wait, tu avais parlé? Attends, mais non, voilà.
Great experience.
We survived. It was hell. Dum 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 dum. You do?
Yeah.
You're my best view. But look at the view. Wow, this is so pretty.
As you can see, we are at the end of the parcours. I feel like God. I feel like I rule the world. Yeah, that's the thing, yeah.
Champagne!
Kind of, but
Champagne!
it doesn't get up anyways.
Les tortues, and yeah, that's shit. This one is shit. Yeah. How do you feel?
Hate it.
How do you feel?
Wanna die.
How do you feel?
I'm neutral.
Yeah. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give it like a 6.
It was
Yeah.
fine.
It was fine. It was just too muddy.
For the shoes are
Yes, and too much mosquitoes. Too muddy.
I should have worn shorts for some reason. I feel like I should have worn shorts.
C'est pas moi, mais
On était bien préparés mentalement, ok?
mentalement, ouais.
Voilà.
Je l'ai préféré avant.
But at least we bonded, right?
I'm disappearing in the sun. I'm brighter than your future. Good. Now we're supposed to go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. to go to the beach, and then we go back to school, and then we go back home.
And then we got home.
Yeah, we just came just to, you know, have fun, and then let them suffer in school. Sad. Anyways.
Okay, so Elisa. Is it good? It's shrimp. It's shrimp. Made by who?
By me. It's made by me. Of course, I'm a chef. I can do the best things ever.
Sometimes.
Like, taste it.
It's good, right? It's good. Yeah, I know. Maisha?
Préférer la vie solitaire, célibataire. Pas facile pour me redonner les
I don't know the song.
Solo. I'm swimming the solitaire. Célibataire. Pas facile pour me donner le cœur.